In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to restore an LG Exault 2 cell phone to factory settings. Okay. Go to Menu, Settings and Tools, select Phone Settings, select Security. Now enter the last 4 digits of your phone number. Go to OK. Now enter the last 4 digits of your phone number. Now select Restore Phone. OK. Now enter the last 4 digits of the phone number. So there you go, the phone has been restored to factory settings. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.